pull the drawer out from unit. Simultaneously, press release clips on left and right hand side on underside of the drawer to disengage from the runner. Release clips could look like either seen on screen. To reinstall the drawer, pull the runners away from the furniture unit and place the drawer on top. Ensure the drawer is supported flat on the runner's arms. Reaching to the back, engage the drawer runner hook and the drawer casing cutout by pushing the drawer firmly from the back to the front. The drawer runner hook is located on the extension arm. It will look like this. The drawer casing cutout is located at the back on the underside of the drawer. It will look like this. To check the drawer is correctly engaged, pull the drawer away from the furniture unit carefully and lightly lift up and down. If not fitted correctly, the drawer may tip from the back as shown. With basin fitted, use U cutout for arm access to back of drawer. Re-engage drawer runners, hooks and casing cutout for correct fit.